As the travel and tourism industry looks to navigate the challenges of the current COVID-19 pandemic towards recovery, Jamaica's Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, has announced the creation of a tourism supply hub. The aim is to position Jamaica as the premier logistics center in the region for training and certification of tourism workers, supplies for cruise and airlines, and resilience and technology support. The plans for the Tourism Supply Hub was unveiled at the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association 59th Annual General Meeting. More from Marlon Samuels.
Cruise line executives and industry leaders have reportedly been discussing new policies to chart the course for the resumption of cruising. Among the comprehensive and layered approach being taken is the need for supplies and workers. Jamaica is also positioning itself for resumption of cruising. There are plans to promote Jamaica as a supply hub. The supply hub will provide trained, certified workers and technology support.
This would be a response to the cruise companies which have indicated that they would like to secure supplies from Jamaica as well as additional workers. And just to indicate to you that we have been in long discussions with our cruise partners, and although I cannot announce to you today the exact date when cruise will resume in Jamaica, I can tell you that we have been very vigorous in terms of our efforts to redefine the relationships between ourselves and the cruise with the hope of ensuring that a greater level of not just resources will come to Jamaica, but that Jamaica will benefit greater from the ability that the cruise lines have to generate more local involvement and more inclusiveness in terms of the returns from the sector of the industry.
The Ministry of Tourism is also putting in place a team of tourism recovery experts.
You will recall that at the beginning we had set up the Tourism Recovery Risk Management team. That team will evolve into this new collaborative force, as I'm calling it. It will not be as big as the team that we had before, but it will consist of a number of the players who are there and some other experts that we'll be bringing on board. I'll have more to say on that for you at a later date. So the expectation is that this team will comprise about 9 members, including 3 industry players and representatives from the private sector, JMA, the bankers, and from the health sector.
Plans are also underway for a global marketing campaign to promote a robust and responsible reopening of Jamaica's tourism industry based on the country's COVID-19 protocols. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Marlon Samuels.